Let us now study electric flux for closed surfaces. Okay. So first we'll take an electric field. Okay. Or before that, let's see what's a closed surface. A closed surface means it's just not just one plane, it's a three-dimensional object. See, for example, like this box. Okay. So this is a closed surface. Okay. So electric field can come from one side and it can leave it from the other side. Let's draw a picture and see for that. So let me draw a non-uniform electric field like this way. This is a non-uniform electric field, and then in this let me draw a surface here. Okay, so this may be any random surface here. Okay, so now if you notice that this one is E, the electric field is E, and then the surface has area A, and the electric field lines go outside also. They come into the surface and they go outside. So same way like this box. Okay, imagine. So electric field comes from left side and it will go out from the right side. So in this case, the electric flux is given by phi E. You can take this as phi E. The electric flux, that's equal to, now we have closed integral. Why? Because it's a closed surface. Okay, so closed integral of E vector dot dA vector. Okay, remember this is a closed surface, different from the other equations. Okay, now let us go to another picture and see, okay, how to draw an electric field or electric flux. Now let me draw another random surface here. Okay, let this be another random surface here. Now an electric field line goes inside and comes out. So let me draw the electric field line. So this is an electric field line. It goes in and it comes outside. So you can mark the electric field line as E. Okay, E vector actually. So this electric field line goes and comes outside. Now let me take an area here. So at this point I'll take an area like this way. Okay, so it's a three-dimensional object, it's not two-dimensional. Okay, then the surface area normal will be outwards like this way. This is a small surface, so surface area normal we write as dA vector. Okay, now you notice the angle here. The angle here is theta. Just see the angle here, this angle. Then this angle you can see theta is greater than 90. So 90 means pi by 2. Pi is 180. Okay, so in this case you can see the angle theta means the angle between the area normal and the electric field is greater than 90. Now we'll take another point also. Okay, let me take at this point here. At this point the area normal will be like this way. So this is the area normal, that is dA. Okay, and now you notice the angle between the electric field and the area normal, that is in this case theta will be less than 90. Okay, now we must know whether it will be positive or negative. So let me take the first case here in this side. Okay, so we have the formula phi is equal to EA cos theta. This is just for your understanding only. Okay, so in this case if you see cos, you can take 180. Cos 180 is minus 1 for the left side. Okay, so what happens is cos 180 is minus 1, so we'll get here minus EA. So you can say the electric flux is in this case is negative. Okay, whereas let me go to right side here. On the right side we have flux phi E is equal to again EA cos theta, but you see the angle is less than 90. See, for example, cos 0 is 1, so EA into 1 will be 1 only, so or EA, so it's positive value. So in this case phi E is equal to positive. Okay, but is there any other easier way to find it rather than calculations? So there's a very simple way. If the electric field lines enter an object, then or enter a closed surface, the electric flux is negative. If the electric field lines leave over from an object or go away from an object, the electric flux is positive. Okay, let me write this down. So in this case the electric field lines, it's a very simple way. The electric field lines they enter a closed surface. They enter the closed surface. If they enter a closed surface, we can say the electric flux phi E is equal to positive. Okay, and sorry, this is negative. Phi E is negative. If they enter a closed surface, the electric flux is negative. And if the electric field lines, they leave the closed surface. We can say then the electric flux phi E is positive. Okay, it's very simple. If the enter an object means it is negative. If the electric field lines leave out from object, then the electric flux is positive.